What is happening? I'm Joe. Let's take a look at the Rampant from Burton. This is the lightest boot Burton makes. Also features the total comfort construction, so it's going to feel broken in right out of the box itself. Uses a Dino-Lite outsole. Dino-Lite's really awesome because it creates the boot's lightweightness, but it's not going to sacrifice shock absorbency or board feel at all either. Even extra cushioning back here in the heel. It does have a traditional lace up there. You got nice big hooks here on the side for easy lacing. And check out that fuzzy man fur. The boot has the internal lacing system there with the lace lock to make sure everything stays nice and tight. The liner is an Imprint 2 liner. Got a lot of great features going on here. Really easy to get in and out of. It's got that wide area there for maximum adjustability for when you lock in those hook and loops. So you're really going to get a good fit with this. Footbed is removable as well. Look at this. Going to provide lots of shock absorption there. Creates a nice heel cup too to lock your foot nicely in place. This boot is laced up daily by Zach Hell, and it's their lightest boot on their line. So pick this one up, you know it's going to be good, especially if you need a lightweight boot. So light I can't even hold on to it. It's from Burton.